Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV in Ware, New Hampshire again today, showing you the 2019 Wildwood 31KQBTS. That's a mouthful. As you can see right here, you got plenty of storage underneath. You can fit your big chairs, everything under here. A couple nice features they added this year. Lighted outside speakers. The JT strong arm jacks, which are a little tough to see, but it keeps the jacks from walking up on you as you're in it. Full big power awning with LED light strip. The metal this year is multicolored, which is kind of nice. No big trailer's complete without an outside kitchen. Get your refrigerator, sink, and barbecue right here. Come around the back. Every Forest River is designed to get a Furon backup camera, so if that bracket's there, all you need to do is buy the camera in the screen, use it for backing up. Just kind of pan around this, not really a lot on this side to go over. To the other side, you have storage with magnetic catches. This year we got the power tongue jack. Makes life a lot easier when you're going to set up. Let's go on in. Oh, another feature I want to point out is the solid steps. These are adjustable, and it's a lot nicer on your knees. This year they changed some of the colors in here. A lot brighter wall borders, different color borders. Each Wildwood now will have a USB connection on either side of the bed. So that way you can charge your phones, and you'll still get outlets on the side of the bed as well. Nice queen mattress, pillow top. Another thing they did this year is they added this faux brick. Really nice, it really looks good. And you got your new sound bar, your Furion sound bar, which really sounds great.
Every day with 95.7 WZID.
And we got a new fireplace this year, which does kick out heat.
20 in Manchester. I knew it was.
Newer Wildwoods now are coming with totes underneath. So you can pack everything and grab stuff individually versus trying to shuffle through everything. This still is jackknife sofa. This material is really nice too, because if you spill anything on it, it cleans up really well, and it's textured. Put this back in there. There we go. U-shaped dinette, so two adults can sleep here. Another thing they're doing this year, they're doing some totes. Alright, we're going to pan around to the kitchen. Still doing solid surface countertops. Pull out sprayer faucet. I do like the glass they did this year. Definitely makes it look good. The new Furon ovens. Great night light too. Furon microwave as well. Decent size. One of the nicer features this year is the new Everchill fridges. These will run on battery. So if you do lose power at a campground or something like that, your battery will take over. As you can see, it's pretty bright in here. It's all LED lights. You got your nice, decent shower area, sink, vanity, and you do have some hanging hooks on the wall there, which were installed. Alright, let's go back to the big giant kids room. So the bunks are very good size. This bunk actually flips up out of the way if you want more space in here. If you notice, USBs are back in the wall here. And you got another set over here. So tons of storage. Lots of hanging storage, plenty of places to put everything. You can put a spot back here for a TV for the kids, for gaming or whatever. And then you have 3 outlets. 1, 2, and 3. So you won't have a lack of outlets in a Wildwood. That out in the main area. I'm going to have Tom pan through the floor plan. Awesome. Well, again, this is the 2019 Wildwood 31KQBTS. If you want to see more pictures of it, go to www.coldspringsrv.com. And looking forward to seeing you in Boston this year.